welcome back to my channel. Yes, how are you today? I hope you're always happy and healthy, especially this is the last month of the years. Actually, I'm so excited for Christmas and New Year, and I hope you so. Okay, in this video, I will explain to you about the innovative strategy how to teach English with direct method, and then the topic is grading for 10th grade. Okay, first I will introduce. My name is Della Primsa Kembaren with student ID number 2212021010. I'm from class 3A. Okay, in the lesson plan there are three activities. The first activity is pre-activity, and then the second is whilst activity, and then the last is post activity. Let's discuss one by one. In pre-activity, teacher can do activity like the first is greeting student by saying hello everyone, good morning, how are you today, are you feeling good, have you a breakfast, and then the etc. And after teacher greeting student, teacher can ask student to lead the praying. After praying done, teacher can check attendance of student to make sure that all of teacher student are ready in the class and ready for doing the learning process. And after that, teacher maybe can do the trigger question and ask students to suggest what they will learn today. And after that, teacher can giving a warm out. By giving a warm out in the words activity, teacher and student can more active and then can more excited for that topic and that meeting. After teacher and student did the warm out in the pre-activity, now we move to whilst activity. In whilst activity, the activity that teacher can do is explain what will be learned in that meeting, which is greeting. By explaining the definition of greeting, and then the formal and informal of greeting, and then the attitude when we greet someone, and then the example of reading, it can make student more understanding about the topic that you teach. And after that, teacher can convey the aim of the learning activity, which is improving speaking and reading skill. And then after that, the teacher teach how to grade correctly to student. And then after teacher teach the how to grade correctly to student, teacher can invite one of the student to have a dialogue together, and then that activity can develop the speaking skill of student, and then also student can more confident to show in front of the class. And then after the teacher and student already done their conversation in front of the class, teacher can divide student into small group. Maybe there are 2 or 3 students in one group. And then ask student to create a conversation about how to grade someone. While students are discuss about the conversation, teacher walk around of the class, and then supervises and monitoring their student. And if some student make a mistake of their conversation, teacher can give a feedback and give a correction of their conversation. And after this discussion session is done, now it's time to student to demonstrate their result in front of the class one by one. And then while the other student is presented, and then the other student is not presented, to assess the pronunciation, fluency, and suitability to the topic, which is greeting. And after that, if the all student already done their presentation, teacher can appreciate all of the student and then give a feedback to each group. Now, after the presentation session is already done, now we move to post activity. In post activity, this is the last activity of the lesson plan. In post activity, a teacher can ask reflective questions such as, what did you learn most about using greetings? Or, what interests you about this activity? This is also can develop their speaking skill. And then, student can provide the oral or written responses regarding what they understand. This is also can develop writing skill of student. And after that, teacher can give a game quiz to find out the extent of student understanding about the material today. Maybe by using YouTube and then quizzes and then another application or another web in internet that can help teacher to find out the extent of student understanding about the material. And then after that, teacher can explain the next learning activity in the next meeting. Or a teacher also can give the homework to their student to make sure that in the next meeting they still understand about today material. And then after that, the last is close the meeting with prayers and greetings. I think that's all the innovative strategy that I can tell to you. I hope this is useful for you. And then thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!